first to alert.
Hello everyone and happy Saturday to you. Starting off with our water vapor imagery chart, and we're seeing some moisture. The darker colors move into the area and we actually have a chance of rain and snow starting with tomorrow. So I want to hop right into my forecast. Right now though, temperatures fairly nice around the area. 56 in El Paso, 54 in Las Cruces, 55 in Deming, and 52 in TRC. And overnight we will have fairly freezing temperatures as well, but not in El Paso. 34 is my forecast low there. 30 though in Las Cruces and Alamogordo, 27 in Deming, and 30 in TRC. But let's talk about those rain chances and snow chances for your day tomorrow. The rest of today should be mostly dry across the area, but notice by around midnight, we're going to have some clouds start to move into the area. By 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, getting ready for church, looks like no moisture will be in the area at that time, but lunchtime, seeing some scattered showers across Otero County, northern portions of Doña Ana County, Sierra County, as well as the Gila. Now, all of these showers are going to continue to hover over the area throughout your afternoon on Sunday, and most of it will stay to the north of us, maybe some light scattered showers to the south of us as well. Las Cruces and El Paso, maybe a few scattered showers will move through our area as well, but overall looks like the Sacramento Mountains have the best chance of rain and possibly some snow for us tomorrow. Now, Monday and Tuesday going to be fairly nice days. Don't really have any concerns about that. But a cold front and a strong cold front will be moving in, and as of right now, it looks like on Wednesday night. And what it will do for us, it'll bring in very cold temperatures with certainly freezes overnight across the entire area. Breezy conditions will move in as well, making it very uncomfortable on top of those cold temperatures. And then we have a chance of rain and maybe even some snow for the lowlands. Now, I say possibly in all caps because it's possible, and this is many days out, so we'll definitely keep updating you as we get closer to that time frame. Next few days, as I mentioned, Monday, Tuesday, not going to be too bad, but notice Wednesday starting to get cooler, and then Thursday, 39 is looking like it's going to be the high on your Thursday, 42 for your Friday, well below our temperatures where they should be at this time of year, and our winds will pick up Wednesday, Thursday, Friday as well to about 30 miles per hour out there. But that 20% chance of rain still exists tomorrow, and then 30 for your Wednesday and Thursday, Friday at 20%, and Saturday at 10%. So certainly some weather changes are on the way. Here's your 7-day forecast sponsored by Mattress Firm. Breezy conditions tomorrow, topping out at 60. 64 is for your Monday and Tuesday. Groundhog Day, that'll start off this new weather system. 30% chance of rain Wednesday and Thursday, and much colder by Thursday.